Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tierra, but you can call me TT for short. So today I will be showing you guys how I got this ombre cut crease sunrise look. I am so looking forward to spring, and I figure like maybe if I decide to put a little pop of color in my life, spring could come a little sooner than later. You feel me? Because I'm tired of it just snowing. I'm just tired of it. We get 60 degrees one day and then we get 24 degrees the next, you know? So here I am showing you guys my spring inspiration. And yeah, I went with the sleek straight hair, and I think the blonde with all the color is just giving me so many vibes right now. If you guys are not subscribed already, please, before you even continue to watch this video, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. I will wait. I'll wait. Oh, you can't find it's right there. Over. Yep, you got it. The red one. All right, subscribe. Alrighty, so if you guys would like to see how I got this look, please continue to watch, and don't forget to follow me on all my social media, which will be linked down below, and hit that like button as well if you love this creativity, you love this color, you're here for the spring, you've been praying for the spring like I have. Hit that like button and leave a comment down below and let me know what is your favorite color to wear during the spring. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.
I wonder what went wrong today, eh? Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay, It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. I wonder what went wrong today, Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say, to say the words to remember. do I feel like I linger? Linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all. Lose it all. Lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. We still got few more days to slay, it's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all.